This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago, and we are looking at the livestock markets, live cattle, feeder cattle, and lean hogs. I want to start looking at the fat cattle, the live cattle. We're moving over to the month of October with August going into first notice day next week. We've basically been in a tight range-bound trade over the past week and a half. That comes in basically 109 to 111. On the 109 side, we do have a trend line support, which we've managed to make and hold higher highs and higher lows off of that. On resistance, 111 represents the 200-day moving average. We think the trend of higher highs and higher lows continues and gives us a breakout above that 200-day moving average at 111, which could take us towards 115 over the intermediate term. As far as the cash trade goes, a little bit softer this week so far. 109.75 to 110 and a quarter is what we've seen so far, but we wouldn't be surprised to see some more cash come in before the end of the week. As far as the feeder cattle are concerned, there's a big level, 149.25, that we need to hold. This represents the 50-day moving average. Typically, the 50-day moving average isn't really significant, but we have not seen consecutive closes below that since the middle of May. Just below that, 148, also a lot of technical support. So 148 to 149 and a quarter is going to be what we're looking at to hold for the August feeder. So long as we can do that, keep the trend intact of higher highs and higher lows, and it looks favorable to the buy side here. Now, wrapping things up with the lean hog market, lean hogs have not been favorable. If you've been watching, you probably know this already. We're making new contract lows and in uncharted territory. So if you want to be long this market, we recommend maybe steering away from the futures and looking at call options, something that gives you pretty good exposure with limited risk. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. It's been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.